In an acquisition by stock purchase, the seller is the owner of the company, and the seller's profit from the sale will usually be categorized as a capital gain and taxed at a 15% rate. Whereas in an asset purchase, the seller is the company, and the profits from the sale will first be taxed at the corporate level, and then later on, once distributed, at the shareholder level. So that usually will result in a higher tax rate than the 15% capital gains rate. Even if it's an S corp, the profits may be deemed in part ordinary income, which is also a higher rate. So for the seller, a stock sale will make more sense. The buyer, on the other hand, will most often prefer an asset purchase because the buyer, by buying assets, gets a step up in tax basis, and the buyer can also depreciate the assets over the full life of the assets from the time of purchase. So as a rule of thumb, sellers will generally prefer stock purchases, and buyers will prefer asset purchases.